sure I got another Temu package. I'm gonna box it now. The shipper label is facing the box, I gotta be careful. Our headphones, you can already see. Our dirt cheap ones are probably not gonna be good. So wait till like a destruction video comes. If they sound bad. If they don't sound too bad, then I'll keep them. Here's very cheap wireless headphones. Wow. That is very fucking cheap. This looks like 5 Below headphones. Even worse, actually. Wow. This looks like a cheap pair of fucking Beats. I doubt they'll sound good at all. Flimsy USB-C cable. The instruction manual. Oh my god. So, at least it came in good condition. This looks very cheap. I feel like I can break them with one hand. Yeah, they're flimsy. I'm gonna do it in this video. I'm gonna do it in another video. This is a USB port, micro USB port. It is so disgustingly cheap. Oh my god. Thanks for watching.